welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're gonna make pasta alla carbonara. It's not the classical recipe, the traditional one. It's slightly modified, but I can assure you it's very tasty. In order to do this recipe, we're gonna need pasta, obviously. We need for 4 persons like 400 grams of pasta, a bag of pasta, a small onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 400 grams of mozzarella, 400 grams of bacon, 4 eggs, 3 tablespoons of parsley, fine chopped, oregano and basil, 2 tablespoons of each, parmesan, 3 spoons, 3 spoons of cream, salt, and obviously pepper. So now let's start cooking. In order to do this, we have to fill half of pot with water, cold water. After that, we're gonna add 2 spoons of oil, so the pasta doesn't stick together, and a spoon of salt. After that, we're gonna put it on the oven. And we're gonna turn up the heat. So the onion that I was talking about earlier has to be chopped very finely. We're gonna cut this, and we're gonna chop it as fine as you can, as small as you can. But it doesn't really matter because we're gonna heat it in oil and it's gonna melt. So do your best. As you can see, I don't do it very professionally, but I try. After we've cut the onions, which I've put in this pot, we're gonna cut the garlic, small pieces. You can add how much garlic you want after your taste. I personally like very much garlic. So usually I add a little bit more. You cut it as finely as you can, and you put it aside because we're going to use it later. Now we're going to cut the bacon. We have the bacon piece, and we cut it slices like this, thin slices, as thin as you like it. And after that, I'm going to cut it in half, like this. And the other way. I like it smaller. You can cut it any size you like. Now it's time to make the sauce for the pasta. Let me tell you how you are going to do it. You're gonna need a slightly larger bowl. In this bowl, you're gonna mix the 4 eggs we have over here. Then we are going to add the 4 spoons of cream, and we're gonna also mix them very well. After that, we add basil and oregano, the 2 tablespoons of each. We're gonna add salt and some pepper after a taste. Let's start doing it. Now that the water is boiled, we're gonna add the pasta. Now, I've put the chopped onion in the pot and I've added 2 spoons of olive oil. Now we're gonna leave it up to heat until it gets translucent. If you see that it's kind of burning, you should add a few drops of water. And you're just gonna leave it here until it's kind of melted. Now that the onion is ready, we are gonna add the bacon. And we are gonna let it crisp until it's done. Now that the bacon is almost ready, we're gonna add the garlic. After we've added the garlic, we're going to add the sauce. You add it all at once and you stir. After the sauce has boiled just a little, we're going to add mozzarella. And we're going to stir it. Now that the sauce is ready, it's time to add it over the pasta. Just pour it over it, all of it. And then you just simply mix it. I'm going to try not to spill it on the table. I think it's okay. It smells pretty nice, you know? So the pastas are ready. Now we've put it on a dish. We are gonna add parmesan and a little of parsley on the top. This is my recipe of pasta alla carbonara. I hope you like it and that you're going to see our recipes next time. Bye bye!